Basically, we had the adjuster come in for the insurance, and they found damage to the roofs. And then Energy Guard came along and inspected again, found a lot more hail damage to the siding on the garage in the shed, to the fence. They were able to find, more damage and be able to completely update all buildings. They are replacing the roofs on all garages and sheds and housing. Going to do some siding. We're going to work on the fence. We had a $28,000 claim turn into about $54,000. You pay for the insurance, so Energy Guard knew what to go look for to get the damage that was actually done. That's what was impressive, because you feel like, you talk to the adjuster, and I worked for the insurance company that I have, and I know they're good, but they hire an outside adjuster, and you think they're doing a good job, so you kind of trust them, but Energy Guard took it a step further. And it's just been unbelievable just in the change already. Oh, absolutely. I would recommend get the inspector out here and find the loss that you have. Basically find damage that your regular homeowner won't find. I didn't know what was all damaged. I've talked to my coworkers about it already. We're kind of doing a comparison. They went with somebody else, and I went with, Energy Guard, and they've been good. It's kind of interesting how we're watching that back and forth, because we're finding out who's getting something done and who isn't.